Hello everyone, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV channel. In today's video, I am going to give you three different chess tactics about Caro-Kann Defense Advanced Variation Section 2. I am going to give you every tactics one by one deeply and smartly analyze. If you are beginner level player or intermediate level player or advanced level player, you must learn these tactics because this is very important. So you need to practice this kind of chess tactics. You will become like a grandmaster. Okay, every day you can watch my this kind of chess tactics video on my YouTube channel. You can improve your tactical idea, risks, reps, and everything you will be get. Okay. Now we can go to the moves. In three moves, black win white checkmate. Okay. In three moves, black wins white checkmate. This kind of chess tactics. Okay. I am going to give you three different amazing chess tactics, hard chess tactics. I am going to give you these tactics. Every chess players should know. Okay. This is first chess tactics. Before, I am going to give you 1 minute for this particular chess tactics. If you know the answer before the 1 minute, you can write your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 1 minute. After the 1 minute. Okay. Let's go to the move. Okay, before go to move, the timer is running right now in the right time now. Okay, the timer is running. Okay. Okay, the timer is done right now in the right time. Okay, you can see how to white lost the game, how to black win the game. Okay, in this particular chess game, black win with in two moves only. Okay, you can see the answer. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. This bishop cross f2 and beautiful check. This bishop go to cut the phony. And king come to d2, king come to d2, then I go there, my queen go to there in e3, I think. Yeah, there is a beautiful checkmate. You can see how to black win the game. Okay, first move is bishop cross f2 and beautiful check. If king need to move, so otherwise he cannot do anything here. King moved like this, then in one move, black wins white checkmate. Queen e3 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is section 1, part 1 video. I am going to give you 3 different chess tactics about Caro-Kann Defense Advanced Variation Section 2. Okay. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you don't like the video, you can don't like the video. Okay. Press the don't like video. Okay. We can go to the second tactic of Caro-Kann Defense Advanced Variation. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Night Gambit TV channel. Okay. This is tactic 2 about Caro-Kann Defense Advanced Variation. In 2 moves, black win. Okay. Black win the knight. Okay. Enemy knight. Okay. Before I will be give the answer, you can find the right answer before the 1 minute. Okay. I am going to give you 1 minute for the answer. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 1 minute. Okay. Now the timer is running right now in the right time. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV channel. Now the timer is done right now in the right time. 1 minute is gone. If you don't know the answer, I am going to give you the right answer now. Okay. First move is black chain. If first move is black chain, how to black win the game, win the knight. Okay. You can see how to white win the knight. Okay. First move is knight goes b4. Now this kind of knight attack the queen. You can see here, this knight attack this queen. This queen support to kiss this knight. If this queen go to b3, okay, b3, then this queen cut this knight. Okay, we will see how to count this mat. Okay, now first move is knight goes b4. Then queen go to b3, then cut the knight and we will check right now. That's it. This particular card chess tactics, every chess player should know. Okay? Okay. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. And I want to tell one more thing. Every day, 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. in Sri Lanka time, I give you live stream on my YouTube channel. The name is the Night Gambit TV YouTube channel. I give you just live stream. If you want to play chess with me, please share your username below the comment section. Okay? I will found your username and you can connect with me and we will play in the live stream. Okay. Okay. We can go to the third tactic. Caro-Kann Defense Advanced Variation Section 2. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV channel. In today's video, I am going to give you Caro-Kann Defense Advanced Variation Section 3 Card Chess Tactics Puzzles. Okay? I am going to give you 1 minute for the answer. If you know the answer, please add your answer below the comment section before the 1 minute. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 1 minute. Okay. Let's go to the timer. The timer is running right now in the right time. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV YouTube channel. Now I am going to give you the right answer. The timer is done. Okay. After the 1 minute, I am going to give you the right answer. In 3 moves, white wins, white checkmate. You can see how to white wins, white checkmate. This is the gorgeous tactics. Okay. First move is Queen D7 and beautiful check. Then King go to F8. Then Queen go to here and sacrifice the Queen. Then Rook take the Queen. Then Rook take the Rook. Boom. That's it. Now white win perfectly. Okay. In this particular chess game, done. Section 2 chess tactics about Caro-Kann Defense advanced variation is finished. Now tomorrow I am going to give you the another chess tactics about Section 3 Caro-Kann Defense advanced variation. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to improve your video, improve your chess talent, you can watch my video every day. Okay, and participate in the live stream. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay.